Good morning children. How are you children? I hope you are doing well. So today let us start a new chapter of chemistry. The name of the chapter is Physical and Chemical Changes. Change is essential in our life on earth and even in the development of science and technology. Every day we come across some changes in our surrounding. So observe these changes children. Then these changes may involve one or more than one substances. For example, you can dissolve sugar in water to make a cold drink. We can stretch a rubber band. Milk is converted into curd. Water is converted into ice on cooling. Water is converted into water vapor on heating. So children, you can also list the changes which is happening around you in your home or in your surroundings. So children, in this chapter, we will perform some activities and we will study the nature of these changes. Now these changes are of two kinds. The first change is known as physical change. Properties such as shape, size, color and state of a substance are called its physical properties. A change in which a substance undergoes a change in its physical properties is called a physical change. You know children, physical change is a reversible change and no new substances are formed in this physical change. So to understand the concept of physical change children, we will perform many activities and I hope you will be enjoying to do all these activities. And even children, you can perform these activities at home under the guidance and supervision of your parent so that you can understand the concept of physical change very well. Now let us see the second type of change. Second type of change is known as chemical change. A change in which one or more new substances are formed is called a chemical change. A chemical change is also called a chemical reaction. Now this chemical change is an irreversible change and in this change new substances are formed and these new substances are important for life. So again children, I will be doing some activities to show you chemical changes. So you can perform these activities at home but only in the presence of your parents so that you can take the help of your parents and try to understand the concepts given in this chemical changes. Now let us see next concept which is given in this chapter, that is crystallization. Large crystals of pure substances can be formed from their solutions. This process is called crystallization. To understand better this crystallization process children, I will do one activity to show crystallization process of copper sulfate. So you have to watch this activity carefully children because you have to note down the procedure, observation as well as conclusion. And children, you can do one more activity of crystallization process at home, but instead of copper sulfate you can take any other substance like salt or sugar. So I hope children you will enjoy all this activity to understand the concepts of physical change as well as chemical change. Even I will be showing you some activities. So watch carefully these activities and try to understand the concepts given. So I hope children you will enjoy all these activities in our next lecture. So children, stay home, stay safe, study well, be healthy, eat nutritious food. Thank you children.